I studied theater arts in the university, but today I'm building a career in media, tech, and content creation. So, if you are someone who feels like your life is completely different from what you studied, this video is for you. Hi, I'm Akoji, the inheritor. I inherit skills, creativity, and opportunities through learning. And I share everything with you so you can do the same. I studied theater, but like many young Africans, life took a different turn. But instead of fighting it, I adapted. I started with nothing special, just curiosity and fun. I learned editing, content creation, and how to tell stories virtually. And before you know it, one small skills opened the door to the next. Eventually, that led me to becoming a media tech executive at a fintech company. But I did not end there. The digital world is bigger than editing, so I decided to learn more. I took courses in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Now I'm teaching myself React, back-end development, and app development. To be honest, I'm not the perfect, I'm not the fastest, but one thing is sure, I'm growing. So if you are watching this and you feel stuck, confused, or like me, your degree doesn't match your life, just know this. You are allowed to start again. You are allowed to learn new skills, and you are allowed to grow at your own pace. What you will become in life is not limited to what you studied in the university. Going forward on this my channel, I will be documenting everything. Digital media tutorials like video editing, my tech journey, my growth stories, motivation for young African creators, and honest life conversations we don't talk about enough. So if you want to grow in digital media, tech, and personal development, welcome. Subscribe, join the community, let's inherit the future together.